Hello everyone, do you enjoy astronomy and space facts and stuff like that? Well, you have come to the right place. In today's video we are going to be talking about space, astronomy, habitable planets and possible alien life. I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be talking about a few facts while I show you a few habitable planets of Kelpa here, guys, as we're going through in size comparisons. The blue planets are pretty much the habitable ones. As you can see, there's land and water on them, just like Earth. How crazy is that? So I'll let you guys check them out while you listen to me tell some cool facts. Starting off from Number 1. On November the 4th, 2013, astronomers reported, based on Kepler space mission data, that there could be as many as 40 billion Earth-sized planets orbiting in the habitable zones of Sun-like stars and red dwarf stars within the Milky Way galaxy. Bearing in mind, just a quick pointer fact here, 1 light year is approximately 6 trillion miles, which is 9 trillion kilometers. The Milky Way galaxy is approximately 200,000 light years in diameter. So that is crazy, guys, to think how many miles that is. And the Milky Way is extremely small compared to a supergiant elliptical galaxy called IC 1101. That is an estimate of 6 million light years in diameter. Now think of possible life that could actually be within there, because I'm going to show you a quick post here that I've seen, guys. Denying the existence of aliens are like holding a spoonful of water and saying there are no sharks and whales in the ocean because there are not in my spoon. This is one of the best facts I come across. You know, it's straight up and I love it. Just think about that, guys. So, why do I think that the aliens exist? Because of the amount of habitable planets there are in our solar system, our galaxy, whatever it is, guys, alone, there's just so many habitable planets. There's over 40 billion habitable planets alone in our own galaxy. And our galaxy, like I said, is very small compared to other galaxies out there. I mean, there's some galaxies that hold over like 100 billion stars. It's absolutely insane to think about how many stars that is, and each star has its own solar system, which could have a possible habitable planet inside it, within. Now, let's tell you a quick story. Not so long ago, when I was in college a few years ago, I did a 14 to 16 course for 2 years in college. Within those 2 years, one of the years, 2 astronauts had came to visit us in college after they finished their duty work and whatever they were doing. They told us straight up facts about space, told us about habitable planets, as you can see in the video here, guys, and everything like that. I asked them a question: what planet has the closest life on it to Earth? They instantly respond to me: Mars. Mars has life on it. Microscopical organisms in the frozen water and underwater lakes and rivers on Mars, there is life. So if there is life on a planet that's only a few millions of miles away, then what else is there out there? What else could there possibly be? There is an insane amount of possibility, over 100% chance that there is other life out there, because if there's life on Mars, you could class that as alien life because it's not on Earth. So if it's, like I said, if there's something on Mars, there's something somewhere else. I hope you guys are paying close attention to these habitable planets I'm showing here, because these are absolutely insane. The blue ones you can tell are frozen water or normal H2O like we have here on Earth, but there'll be different depths and different whatever. But they're just pretty cool. There's Uranus. I had to point that out. That was great. So yeah, space is a very interesting thing, guys. It's absolutely insanely vast. and there could really absolutely be anything. There's some very interesting looking planets like this. Look at this, KIC 1025575b here. Some of them look very interesting. Some of these are stars as well, as you can see, the dwarf stars, and other things as well we've mixed in there. There's Saturn, that's one of ours in the solar system. So yeah. Anyway, now guys, we are going to be moving on to size comparisons on galaxies. Here we are at the Milky Way, around approximately 185,000 light years in diameter. Let's go. The Andromeda Galaxy is said to have a collision with our galaxy, the Milky Way, from any time, from in a few, maybe million years' time, which is quite interesting. I wish I could live that long to see that happen. These galaxies just get bigger and bigger each time, and it's absolutely insane to think how large these galaxies are. Each that could hold trillions and trillions of Earth-like planets. It's an insane number to think of, guys. You know, if there's something out there, personally, I wish I could see it in my lifetime. I wish I could see something that's out there, because it would be pretty cool. And that is just in our local group there. Look out at the right. Hopefully you guys just saw that in our local group here on the left as well. 10 million light years in diameter is just our local group of galaxies. There's our galaxy on the left, as you just saw then. It's just the comparisons of things are just huge. It gets bigger and bigger. Now we're moving on to voids, which is just emptiness of darkness. It's just insane. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. It's a new video, something different, and I shall see you in the next. Peace.